Is this your first time on the chairlift?
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Well,
And how old?
Motorcycle this year?
Yeah. God, I'm sure.
Motorbike? What motorbike?
Jerry's got a Harley.
Oh, well, we're all out at the lake, and they're all drinking. Jerry's not drinking, so he said, well, I wanted to go home. They were going to go later, some of the ones that weren't drinking. And
Look
he
at
said,
this.
"Where's your go, my butt?" And I said, oh, I've never drank. Go!
Go, Granny, go!
Go for it! Go for it! Yeah, so, so I thought, oh, well, what the hell? If I fall off, I fall off.
That's kind of what I felt
So
when
I
I
went-
jumped on the back of your golf cart.
Happy birthday, Leona.
Oh, thank you, Donna.
So, you know,
So glad you guys came
all
up.
right. So, you know,
Yeah.
I thought it would be, but like Jerry said, if I lean, you lean.
Oh,
Yeah, follow me. Yeah, kind of deal.
And he didn't get that. He didn't get that.
And he's not drinking anymore. No.
Oh, yeah.
a little bit. A very little.
Riding the motorbike and different things. Or when you drive.
Oh, listen, I want you guys to know that Simon, there's no jumping from the lift.
Oh, no jumping.
Oh yeah, I'll be all over that one. All over that
Lots
one.
of snow is on people have done it.
I guess, eh?
Oh, I bet.
Maybe, you know.
Oh yeah, it's like you see when you get to this spot here, we're supposed to go up the hill, right? Because it's not the snow sometimes would be right up the top.
Yeah, I believe it, eh?
Oh, yeah.
So they jump off of the...
Yeah, I'm more quick than that have the heat.
Oh.
Dangerous.
Exactly.
But Jesus.
So they only see him probably.
Look at all these flowers. I wonder what kind of flowers
Well,
those.
isn't that Indian paintbrush?
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, there is a-
Is that